They have been evaluated by judges as also by the participants to the seminar. With this preamble, I would like to say that we have added furthermore trust on our evaluation system in the water awards itself by asking people to involve associates and vendors in water awareness creation. Number two focus what we are asking is more and more ideas to emanate from the people in the company. That means members of the company, employees, communities, to give more suggestions for improvements as far as water conservation activity goes. This is an effort towards creating more awareness on the subject of water conservation, and hopefully it will definitely be an important parameters to be judged in the years to come. We have already commenced from this year as far as vendor and associate involvement is concerned. More than 15 marks we are given out of 100, and that's a big jump we are taking from last year. We are cautioning at practically every end of presentation, we are cautioning them that they are likely to lose the marks if they don't come up prepared for the next year at least, where we are going to pitch up more, maybe 20-25% on this subject. For the vendor associates, if we involve, the gearing will be almost 1:1000. That is what we are looking for. One company means at least 1000 people will get extra involved. That is what we are looking into. With that in view, we started this subject of innovative products, and a few companies, as I said, 3 numbers have participated. This time they are going to make presentation in the afternoon. There is a presentation of all these 3 companies where we are going to judge them. Few of the products are being displayed now, which I am going to cover in our slide presentation. This is water conservation in power plant. We are talking about dry low NOx burner, air-cooled condenser. We'll run through because we are not in time. Water saving projects, particularly this project also includes a very high mark as far as our evaluation of companies are concerned. But then here what we are talking about is introduction of fresher technology, newer technology. I won't call it innovation, but definitely new technology. Upgradation technology, yes, if that is the word to be used. Water saving or modification of vacuum, degassing, cooling tower, cooling efficiency. What we are talking about is more and more of kaizens and improvement management if it is focused. These issues will come out. Again, under water saving project, condensate water recovery from CSW coil storage tubes, recycle initiative, glass bottle line. Next. Adiabatic radiators for cooling tower, radiators for genset. See, captive power plants we are touching in a very big way because majority of the companies are going in that. There is energy shortage. Water saving projects further cover cooling tower blowdown reduction. I think this is one area where people are really concentrating. Many of the companies this time have made a presentation in which they have achieved specific water consumption in reduction through this methodology. Condensate recovery system. In this again, there is substantial amount of implementation by the companies who have participated in this competition. Installation of air-cooled condensers in CPP. This is one area where almost it looks like it is going to be a real hit in the days to come because it gives you good cost benefit. In fact, this is one of the areas where we are emphasizing is each of these projects must reflect cost benefit analysis. We are asking them to project from next year onwards. If a project is implemented, what is the cost benefit? Number 2, what is the reduction in specific water consumption because of that implementation of that project? Waste utilization of preheated unit, this is yet another area. Under waste heat recovery, otherwise also we are talking energy conservation, but in water particularly, waste heat utilization of preheated unit enables a lot of water conservation. That also we are asking people to quantify. Air-cooled fluid condenser at power plant. Again, this is one area where they are asking people to really interact with their OEMs and go into the subject of modifying their existing systems also if it is required and apply retrofits. I'm sure that BHL will be very interesting for you to implement straight away. And already you must be in the picture. That's right. That's right. Again coming to storage and usages, abundant mine pits can use as storage space for rainwater. There is one area which has been highlighted this time. I think there were 2 companies which have highlighted this project, particularly it was very interesting to know Sahabar Wadi area is utilizing this concept. Recharging groundwater, this is one area where we are talking about. Next. Current technology for landscape irrigation systems among industries, this is one area again we are looking in a very big way. That is how we are asking for community involvement in a big way. Irrigation systems are covered. Next. Again, under that, drip irrigation, basically we are talking about cost benefit from the adversities of weather effect. I think it can be very nicely combated if proactive measures of these natures are taken. We are talking again micro sprinklers, quick release coupling valves are very useful in pumping water instead of having manual hand operated valve. These are being semi-automatic, automatic, all these systems can be introduced. Again, under storage and usages, open pond storage we are talking about, from roofs, from surface, from space requirements, huge storage possible. Clapson is here, no? Clapson. Yeah, next. Yeah, next. Thank you. I think what we are trying to say is that in the years to come, you will find more and more of these coming out, because we are requesting our CII people also to go to the regional offices to really seek and identify people. In fact, people who are going to attend Delhi Pragati Maidan issue, please remember, if you happen to come across any stall who will be issuing any pamphlet or documents regarding water saving projects or water saving equipment, please ask them to participate here, participate effectively and contact you. Thank you, sir.